What are the advantages and disadvantages of ladybird deeds in Texas? Ladybird deeds are often discussed in estate planning because they allow Texas homeowners to plan for the future transfer of their property while keeping control during their lifetime. Many people want to avoid probate, protect their family from delays, and keep flexibility if circumstances change. Understanding both the benefits and the drawbacks of this type of deed is essential before deciding whether it fits your goals. A ladybird deed, also known as an enhanced life estate deed, is a legal tool that allows a property owner to keep full ownership rights while naming a beneficiary to receive the property automatically at death. The owner can live in the home, sell it, mortgage it, or revoke the deed entirely without the beneficiary's consent. When the owner dies, the property transfers directly to the named beneficiary without court involvement. One of the most significant advantages of ladybird deeds is probate avoidance. Probate in Harris County can take 6 months to more than a year and often involves court filings, hearings, legal notices, and substantial costs. With a ladybird deed, the property bypasses probate entirely, saving time, money, and stress for loved ones during an already difficult period. The beneficiary only needs to record proof of death in the county real property records to confirm ownership. Another major benefit is that the property owner keeps complete control during life. The beneficiary has no ownership rights while the owner is alive. This flexibility is especially important in high-value Houston neighborhoods where property owners may need to sell or refinance as financial or family needs change. The ability to change or cancel the deed at any time without permission adds another layer of control that many homeowners value. Ladybird deeds can also provide tax advantages. When the property transfers at death, the beneficiary generally receives a stepped-up income tax basis equal to the property's value at that time. This can significantly reduce or eliminate capital gains tax if the property is later sold, especially in areas where home values have increased substantially over decades. Despite these advantages, ladybird deeds also come with important disadvantages. One concern is the potential for family disputes. After the owner's death, heirs or beneficiaries may challenge the deed by claiming lack of mental capacity, undue influence, fraud, or duress. These disputes can result in costly litigation and may ultimately pull the property into probate court anyway. Another limitation is creditor exposure. Because the property remains fully owned by the grantor during life, creditors can still place liens on it or pursue it to satisfy valid debts. Texas homestead laws provide some protection, but a ladybird deed does not add extra protection beyond those existing laws. After death, creditors may still attempt to recover from non-probate assets if the estate is insolvent. Spousal rights are another area of concern. Texas law grants spouses specific homestead rights that cannot be eliminated without proper consent. A ladybird deed that attempts to transfer a marital homestead without meeting these legal requirements may be invalid, creating serious problems for the intended transfer. Ladybird deeds do not eliminate all tax considerations. While Texas has no state estate or inheritance tax, the property is still included in the federal estate tax calculation for large estates. Additionally, some counties may reassess property value when ownership changes, which could increase property taxes for the beneficiary. They can also be challenged in court, and proper execution is critical. Recording the deed correctly and signing it before a notary creates stronger evidence, but it does not prevent all challenges related to capacity or undue influence. This is where guidance from a lawyer can help reduce risks during the planning process. Compared to other estate planning tools, ladybird deeds are best suited for transferring a single property. A revocable trust can manage multiple assets and provide better planning in case of incapacity, while a will does not avoid probate. If a will conflicts with a ladybird deed, The deed generally controls because the property never enters the probate estate. An attorney can help evaluate which tool best fits a particular situation. Ladybird deeds may also affect issues like mortgages and Medicaid planning. Existing mortgages remain in place, and beneficiaries must be prepared to continue payments or sell the property. While ladybird deeds generally do not disqualify someone from Medicaid in Texas and may limit some estate recovery efforts, they should never be relied on as the sole Medicaid planning strategy. Working with a lawyer and an attorney ensures these complex rules are handled properly. Planning for the future can feel overwhelming, especially when family, property, and finances are involved. The law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC is a law firm that helps Texas families understand estate planning tools like ladybird deeds and how they fit into a complete plan. If you have questions about your home or your family's future, you can contact this law firm at 4201 Farm to Market 1960 Road W Suite 360, Box number 116B, Houston, Texas, 77068, United States, or call 281-214-0173 to speak with someone who understands how personal these decisions can be.